How to align content in a cell. As you can see, our main headings are all aligned left. I would like them in the center. On your home ribbon, here are your various alignment options: align left, align center, and align right. Over here, I'm going to choose center. And as you can see, they now sit in the center of the cell. Alternatively, I could right-click, format cells, and choose the alignment tab, and the horizontal would be center and OK. Now I have a heading in A1 that I would like centered from A1 to cell F1, in other words, in the middle of my spreadsheet. In order to do this, I need to highlight the length of the spreadsheet from A to F. There is an option on your home ribbon called Merge and Center. If I click on that, it merges it into one block and centers it across the spreadsheet. In order to switch this off, I can just click on the button again or click on the drop-down arrow, and I can merge and center again. I'm going to increase the row height of row 1 by dragging down. As you can see, the vertical alignment is currently at the bottom. In other words, from top to bottom, it sits at the bottom of the cell. If I wanted to change the vertical alignment, it's these 3 buttons on the home ribbon. That will be vertical alignment top, vertical alignment center, vertical alignment at the bottom. I'm going to choose the center. Alternatively, once again, you could right-click, format cells, and in the alignment tab, change the vertical alignment to center here as well, and click on OK. How to add borders and colors to cells. These lines, these grid lines that you see on your spreadsheet do not print. They are merely guidelines to help you or guide you as you type. So if you were going to either print or even for visual impact, you would need to apply borders. Now the first thing to do when you're formatting is always to highlight what it is that you want to format. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm leaving my heading out at the top. On your home ribbon, you have an option to go to borders. Click on the drop-down arrow, and here we have various options: bottom border, top border, left border, right border, turn borders off, all borders, or just the outside border or thick outside border. So for this lesson, we're going to use all borders, which is the one you use most commonly. And as I click off into another cell, you can see that area has now been bordered. In order to turn it off, you would need to highlight once again, click on the arrow, and choose no border. And there are now no borders there. Alternatively, you could highlight again, right-click, format cells, and choose the border option tab. And over here, you would choose your line style. So let's say I want a dotted line around the outside. I will choose my line style and say outline. And then choose a normal style for my inside lines. And OK. And here you can see you have a dotted line around the outside edge. The next thing we're going to learn is colors. So in order to make my heading stand out, I'm going to shade these particular cells. Once again, always remember to highlight your cells. Click on the down arrow next to your full color option on your home ribbon and select a color. And there your cells have been shaded. Alternatively, let's highlight the same thing again. Click on the arrow, choose more full colors, and you have in your standard tab a range of colors to select from. If you have particular corporate standards with a very particular color that is not reflecting here, you could click on custom and use the red, green, blue measurements of your corporate colors. In order to change the color of text, for example, my sales by region, let's click on it and click on the drop-down arrow next to font color. And here once again, you will choose one of Excel's standard colors, click, or if you prefer more colors, choose your options here or customize or on the standard tab to change colors.